We are going to make a presentation on the topic COVID-19. So I am so excited to make this presentation. So guys, let's get started. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You do first. Then I will start this video. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications button. Now friends, we are going to start the video. So guys, I am going to make this presentation of 6 slides. I am going to give an introduction on to it. Guys, I am giving it. Wait. So this is the presentation. This is the topic, and for all things that what we are going to do in this. So let's see. Now the new topic presentation is COVID-19, and we have to make 6 slides. First slide should be title slide, and we have to put pictures of COVID-19, and then in second slide we have to put what is COVID and its breakout, and in slide and in the bracket it is written, and don't take any name of any country. We don't have to take any name of any country. And slide 3 should be the preventive measures picture, and slide 4 will be vaccine that is available in India the most, and in 5 other vaccine also that their names also, and in 6 slide thank you. I have given the introduction. Now guys, let's start with slide number 1. Slide number 1 should be the title slide. So let's start with the title. So this is my first slide, and I have taken a black presentation. So let's start. Now this is my score, slide 1, what I have to write in my slide 1. Let's take this. And I'm going to paste it. This is, and over here I'm going to copy this one and paste it. So I'm going to write this. You can write your name also at the down. Bye. Done. Now this is my first so guys, first we are going to write everything what we are going to write in this presentation, and then we are going to do the design, then animations, transitions. We are going to do that afterwards. So guys, let's start with it. So first slide should be COVID-19 presentation. So I've written my name also, and now let's make a slide, new slide. In slide 2 I am going to write in slide 2 I have to write what is COVID-19 and its breakdown. So I'm going to take the question over here, from here, and copy it. Copy. And I'm going to paste it over here, and you have to we have to put the question mark also. And now in this text I'm going to remove this full stop. I don't want this full stop, and I'm going to write the COVID-19, what is COVID-19 and its breakout. First let me copy what is COVID-19 and paste it, and in this over here I'm going to write its breakdown. So let's start writing. So I have written it before only, and now I am copying and pasting it. So you all can also do like this, copy and paste it. Like this we have to do. So if you don't get these things, I'm going to put this in my description or how these writings. And now I have written all these things. Now let's go to slide number 3. In slide number 3 my question is, let's see what is my question, preventive measures picture. So I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. Paste. So guys, I'll paste it. And now I'm going to copy. I will erase this first. Slide 3, prevention. I have copied a very big meaning of prevention, and I'm going to copy it and paste it. So guys, I'm showing it slowly guys. So I'm going to show you my slide 1, slide 2. You see, if you want to write, you can write, and then I will start with my next slide. And this is my slide 3. And guys, you don't think that I will not do the design and transition and animations. I will do and make it very attractive. So guys, you watch this. I have copied all the things. I have not copied everything. I have wrote some of by mine and some I have taken from Google. So you all can also take it from Google, friends. You can take mine also, which I will put in the description box, or you all can take your also. So let's go to next slide. I'm going to make a new slide. And then I'm going to write the question from this slide, that is vaccine that is available in India. Copy, and I'm going to paste it. Vaccine that is available in India, question mark. And over here, I'm removing the dot because I'm not writing any points. That is why. And wait, I have taken out this one. I don't want this one. Now I am going to copy from the slide 4 the names of this. And friends, I don't want, so that because I don't want to write anything in that, I'm going to just put the photos of that. I will put it afterwards. First let me write everything. And now new slide, friends, and in this the question will be other vaccine names also. So in slide 5 I have not written anything, friends. I am going to take it from the picture and paste it. Question mark. And don't forget to give the question mark because these are question. What are other vaccine name also? Done. And this I'm going to erase again, and I'm going to copy the, so I'm not written anything, so let it be. And in next slide we are going to simply write thank you. So let me delete this slide first, friends, because I don't want this slide. And I will go to home, and I will go to new slide, and I will take the title, and I am going to put it over here, and I am going to write simply a thank you. Now friends, I have done everything, means writing part I have done. Now let's put photos to make it more attractive. So I'm going to insert and go to pictures, and in pictures I'm going to go to my this folder I have made, which I have made, and I have taken this one photo of COVID-19, and I am going to make it smaller. It is looking nice, isn't it? Only one photo will go over here because more photos if you put it will not look nice. And over here guys, I'm thinking to do a design. 1 minute. I'm thinking to do a design. I'm going to take one for this. Let's take a red color like this. Yes, it will look nice. We'll go and click on the left click, and then we'll go to apply to selected slide. This means that which slide is selected, in that only that will put. It will look. It is looking nice. And I'm going to take the photo and put it in in another place. COVID-19. little bit smaller like this. Okay, it's okay. Now let's go to second slide, and now I'm going to take a design. I will go to design, and which should I take? Which should I take? There are many. I've not taken this. No, it will not look nice. This one. Yes, it's looking very nice. We'll go to over here and click on apply to selected slides. So this is how, and friends, we have to make it add to dictionary, because I want to add to my dictionary, otherwise it is not looking nice. Add to dictionary, yes, it is done, and add to dictionary, done. And now in this second slide we don't have to put any photo. In third slide now we have to put in this photos. Now let me add to dictionary, add to dictionary, and add to dictionary. And what will be the prevention measures picture? Let me think. Yes, this was looking nice. Which one? Which one? No, this one is very heavy. No. Yes, this one is looking the best. Oh, I forgot. This I want to put it on the selected slide only. No problem. Yes, this one is nice. Now vaccine that is available. We'll go over here, add to dictionary, and add to dictionary. I am going to put the picture. And friends, the design, transitions and animation, I'm going to put it in my another video, because in one video the video will be very much bigger. Now I'm going to crop option, and I'm going to crop this one. Sorry friends, I did it by mistakenly. I didn't want this photo over here. I put it another photo. No need, I will put it over here. Insert. I'll go to crop and crop it. And done. Now, but this is looking nice. Very done. And over here I am going to put the vaccine photos. Covaxin. I don't want to written, but I just wrote to know you about that. That is why I wrote. And this one photo is nice, isn't it? The Covaxin and COVID. These both photos are coming in one. So let me show this written part also. It will look nice. Yes. And in this pictures that are available, I'll go over here, and I'm going to take the vaccine names. I have 4 vaccine names. That is 4 vaccine names. That this is other vaccine name also, and in last it is thank you. This one I'm going to take, this one I'm going to put another. To select this slide. Apply to selected slide, and in this I'm going to put another, that is this one. Yes, this one is looking nice. I'm going to put it, apply to selected slide, this one. And friends, other things I'm going to do in my next video. Part 2 will also come, friends. In that video I'm going to put every transitions, animations and many more things, friends. So bye guys, I hope you will like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my video guys. Bye guys, see you in my next video.